Hi folks, St. Paul Steam End Machine here with my $5 Jensen number 5. Kind of poetic if that's the case. I got it and it just looked tremendously bad. So we did a pretty good restoration on it. I didn't re-nickel plate anything, but I did polish it all up, put new seals, new gaskets. It was actually stuck tighter than a rusty anchor. And that took some doing, some heat, some PV plaster, but we got it all freed up. This is a very early one. It doesn't have the hollow sight glass bolts. These go all the way through. The big safety valve. This has the cup for the chimney post. So this put her right around 1940, late 30s. And you can tell by the curvature of the 5 base and the heavy flywheel. She's an early one. And she's got riveted boiler, of course. I did quite a good pressure test on it, and everything held up well until the safety valve lifted. And that's probably lifting around 20 psi. I've got a pretty good spring on it. Let's see if she'll go. It hasn't been run in at least 25 years. And I've only got it running on 164 watts. She'll do about 450. And restored the base. It was painted orange. No, painted red. That's what it was. And we've got the correct cloth cord on it. There's actually a knot tied in there. That's how it was originally. It doesn't have the keeper on it that the later one has. I gave it a real sympathetic restoration. I tried to keep as much original as I could. And most of it is. Let's go with that. There's the Jensen growl. For a first run, I'm really happy with it. Usually I have to tweak them and tinker with them. Thanks for looking, folks, as always. I appreciate it. Bye now.